Good morning, good afternoon, and good night. Hope you're having a wonderful weekend. I am just here wondering if I am to walk to the store or I am to drive because it's really hot outside. But it's good to walk because I need to lose this weight that I've gained. But I have to go to the fruits and vegetable store because I need to lose this weight that I've gained. Look at my face. Look how fat my face is. And it's like I lost so much of the fat from my stomach, which is the hardest part to lose, and it's like everything just comes right back. I don't know what's going on. I gain weight so easily, it's crazy. Look under my neck, look at this. I've gained so much weight, but I have 3 weeks before I go off on vacation again, and this time this vacation will be longer and it will be in another country, so I will be eating as much food as I can that is close to my Jamaican food, which I miss so much. So I am going to work out for the 3 weeks that I have leading up to vacation, and then see what amount of abs I can do while I'm away, and then resume when I get back, and then I'll resume workout when I return, because I really need to lose this weight. It's not easy to lose, and every time I lose it I put it back on. I did the 10-day green smoothie cleanse and I lost so much weight off my stomach. I didn't really lose much anywhere else except my stomach, and it just came right back. So this time I'm not going to do just the 10-day green smoothie cleanse. I'm going to stick to a meal plan. So I'm going to have like oatmeal for breakfast, or smoothie, maybe just a green smoothie or just a smoothie of fruits with some detox tea, and then for lunch I'll probably have a salad, and then for dinner I don't know if I'm just going to cut out the meat completely, or I might have meat with vegetables and or brown rice. I'll see how I'm going to manage, but I am going to start this workout tomorrow. So I'm going to start this meal plan thing and see how it works best for me. And I have my treadmill right over there to run, so I don't have to go to the gym to run. Well, I can't go to the gym now because of Tyler, so it's a good thing I have my treadmill at home. So now I'm going to wake up like 5 in the morning and do my runs before Tyler wake up at 8, and do my abs, and then get me breakfast and try to see the amount of water that I can drink, and I'm going to try and meal prep. Be careful, love, be careful. I'm going to try and meal prep as much as possible, so it will be easier for me and not tempting to eat different things when I'm hungry. And also hear hubby saying that he wants to have back only salad for lunch, so I'm going to have to start making his lunch again like I used to do last summer. So we are on a mission, and let's see how it's gonna work for the 3 weeks, and then I'll be away for 3 weeks, and that's gonna be a little setback, but I know I can do this. It's a mind thing for me. It's not that I don't have whatever I need to do. It is just that, hey baby, hey Sugar, hey, be careful. See, I can't keep anything on my table because Tyler pulls off everything. I had the baby protection thing at the fore end and he pulled them off. It doesn't matter how often I put them on, he takes them off. So I just have to watch. Hey! Hey! I just have to watch him and make sure that he's being very careful around this table because I don't have anywhere else to put it, really. You want to say something? You want to say something? You want to say something? No, you're playing shy? Tyler, be careful, please. So that's what's up for today. I'll be heading to the fruits and vegetable store to get some stuff to prep for this week and see how much I can stick to this meal plan and stick to my workout routine. Hubby, you're eating my nuts. Why?
Because you're just talking about eating properly, so I help you finishing your nuts so you don't.
Yeah, but my nuts is healthy. It's my unsalted nuts.
So it's healthy for me too.
Look at him eating my nuts. Why are you eating my nuts?
It's good.
You guys, the sun is turned up, but we've decided to walk to the fruit and vegetable store. Don't worry, Tyler ain't getting no burn. He's enjoying his ride in his favorite stroller right now. Tyler, Papa, Tyler, hi.
He doesn't care.
He ain't looking. He's looking at cars passing by. Hi guys. So I just returned from our fruits and vegetable supermarket. So I'm just going to show you a little haul of some of the things that I got because I am really serious about losing some of this weight that I've gained. So I got some carrots, oranges. Well, the oranges is really for Tyler. I really didn't get much fruits because all the fruits that I really need for my smoothie for this week, I already have that in the freezer all prepped and cut up already. So I got some onions, bananas, avocado, thyme. Also got this cereal, which is one of my favorite cereal, just in case I want this cereal for breakfast. One morning I can have that one. Also got two different type of tomatoes. This one I always use this one for sandwiches, and this one I like to use this one when I'm making salads. I also got some green beans, and I also got two type of lettuce because my husband like this type, and when I'm making sandwiches with bread I like to use this one. And I got the romaine lettuce because when I'm making sandwiches with just lettuce I like the fold of these leaves. So I got this lettuce, and I got some sweet potatoes, and I got some spinach for my smoothie just in case I want to add some greens to my smoothie. I also got some mushrooms, and of course I can't do without my sweet peppers. So that's a little haul of some of these things that I got. Yeah, so let's see how this will go down, if I can stick this out. And yeah, just showing you the haul of what I got. So I'm about to make some dinner. So for dinner today I'm going to make a nice salmon with brown rice and some green beans. And I have some brown rice cooking over here, and I have some green beans going on over here. Okay, so I've got my pan heated. I have my assistant in the kitchen. I have my two assistants.
That's a 5-star assistant.
He's right in there. And let them slowly brown on each side for about 3 minutes on each side. Rice almost done. And it's just hubby and I, so I don't like to cook a lot. I rarely have leftovers, and if I do have leftovers, then you know it's your girl breakfast in the morning. Okay, so our salmon is ready, and I'm just gonna move this over to the plate. The same pot, I'm going to just make the sauce for the salmon. So I'm going to throw in some garlic and onions in there, and I'm going to add some thyme. I'm going to add a little bit of wine in there, and I'm going to add some lemon juice, just a little bit of lemon juice, and I'm going to add the butter at the very last. So I'm just going to let this simmer a little bit. I'm just going to add this sauce over the salmon, and we have our butter garlic sauce all ready. It's dinner time, you guys, and hubby can't wait. Look at him. He's already grubbing, and Tyler is ready to dig in. Look at him. Oh, he's going for my plate. Alright, you guys, so hopefully you guys enjoy this vlog. Like, comment and subscribe, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. I have to go because Tyler is taking away my plate. Look at him. Look at him. He just want my food. Bye, guys.
Bye.